Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the case study of form of business organization. Mr. Ravi Kumar is a sole proprietor. He has been doing a wholesale business of tea for last 10 years. The brand name of his tea is Kadak. This is a popular brand of its reason. For some time now he has been worried about two issues. First, his business organizations come in the unorganized sector, so people have little faith in him. And for example, if he want to buy goods on credit for a trader, he is unable to do so easily. And similarly, if he want to get loan from someone, he is able to do so very hard terms. Such treatment by the people produce the inferiority complex in him. The second issue worrying him is that his responsibility in business is unlimited. If unfortunately he suffer a heavy loss in business, his business property and personal property both will be finished. He wants that he should get rid of this worried also. With this problem in hand, he contact to business specialist. He suggests such way out remove all the problem of Ravi. Ravi adopted the new form of business quite happily. In your opinion, what advice might have been given to Mr. Ravi Kumar by the business specialist and why? The answer for this case study is the business specialist might have been advised Mr. Ravi Kumar to establish one person company OPC, and OPC is only solution of all the problem of Ravi. OPC has all the characteristics available which Ravi likes. Hence the business specialist gave him the advice. Next case study, Mrs. Rita Bajaj is a lecturer in business study. Asked three students of her class 11th, each one to express one of his view on the selection form of business organization. First of all, it was the Kanika turn. She said that she would select such a form of business organizations as should have no untoward effect on her domestic properties adverse circumstance. After this, Rahul got the opportunity of what he has that said that he would establish such business organization for which the trained and expert manpower should be easily available. Last of Anvi Express said that she would like to such business organization can be set up within a many formalities. In this way, all the three of them express his respective view choice of business organization. Now questions arise: what particular point is indicated by the three students through the respective choice of business organization in our paragraph? The answer is Kanika is liabilities of honor, Rahul continuity and stability discuss, Anvi facilities in formation. Next case study, two friends Kritika and Sonam started a business by the name of Chriso Fancy Dress Shopee. Both themselves invested equal capital in the business. At the start of the business, because of her domestic circumstance, Sonam has placed one conditions before Kritika that in unfortunately they suffered a heavy loss in their business. She would not able to give anything except the capital invested in the business. Kritika had accepted this condition. Their business have gradually growing well. On one reason for this was that in school the child were asked to come in fancy dress different occasions. They were fully satisfied with their business. To what form of business organization conquered above paragraph? And next, the knowledge of what factor of the form do we get in identify in the part A, and C, write the two type of concurrent with the factor identify in the part B as described in the paragraph. The answer for A, that is partnership organization, to what form of business organization concurred above, that is partnership organization. And B, the knowledge of what factor the form do we get the identify in the paragraph, type of partnership. And C, write a two type of concurrent factor identify, that is general partnership and limited partnership. Thank you.